In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a seller review on Facebook Marketplace, which involves rating the person who sold to you. Let's dive into how you can do this smoothly and enhance your Facebook Marketplace experience. Once you've completed a transaction on Facebook Marketplace, you might notice a prompt nudging you to rate the seller. This usually appears right in your Messenger conversation with the seller. It's a convenient way to share your experience and help future buyers make informed decisions. If, by chance, you don't see this prompt, don't worry. You have the option to manually request a rating from the seller. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the conversation and follow the available prompts to send that rating request. This method ensures you're always able to share your feedback, even if the automatic prompt doesn't pop up. Now, if you're on the other side of the transaction as a seller and you want to request a rating from your buyers, here's what you need to do. First, head over to your marketplace listings and select the specific listing relevant to the buyer you wish to get feedback from. Once you've selected the listing, scroll down until you find the option that says Request Ratings. Tap on this and you'll be able to choose the buyer whose feedback you're seeking. After selecting the buyer, all you need to do is tap Send Request. Remember, this feature is accessible through both the Facebook and Messenger apps, making it flexible and easy to use on the go. Understanding how seller ratings work can be a valuable asset to both buyers and sellers. The ratings are a useful feature visible in the seller's profile across different platforms, except on Facebook Lite, where the seller's rating appears on the product details page instead. If you're curious about a seller's past transactions and feedback, you can simply tap on their name or profile picture in the marketplace listing to view their ratings. It's a straightforward way to gauge reliability and trustworthiness. Additionally, if you're interested in checking your own marketplace profile and the ratings you've garnered, there's an easy way to do that too. Start by tapping on Menu, move to Marketplace, and then select Seller Details. This way you have a clear view of your seller profile and can manage your reputation effectively. By following these steps, you'll help maintain a transparent and trustworthy buying and selling environment on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for tuning in and happy buying and selling.